Here we have for sale our September 2023 on a 73 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, which means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. And this is an L1 short wheelbase Highline Kombi van with a fantastic DSG automatic gearbox, finished in metallic indium grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline DSG Kombi of this age. This one has basically got the absolutely perfect factory optional extras list, which we'll talk you through in detail. It's also had some really nice enhancements by us and by the previous owner, and we'll talk you through what we've done to it in preparation for sale. And we'll also have a really close look at the condition of this example, seeing as it is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd of course with a rear glazed tailgate. So a tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed of course meaning it has got the rear glass. We can tell this is factory because it's got the rear wiper and also the heating elements in the screen. I would say as well this has probably been tinted a little bit after factory. It's a little bit darker than I believe it comes out of the factory, which is nice for a bit of extra security in there. But then some other bits which have been added here at the back. We can see the rear spoiler, again all nicely colour coded in the body colour, and also the carbon rear bumper protector as well. So a couple of nice little touches there which just set the back of the van off very well. You also get on a Highline, you get parking sensors integrated into the rear bumper there as standard, so you can see those all the way along there. And you also get things like the door handles all color coded in the body color on the Highline model. What doesn't come as standard is a reversing camera, so we can see here nice reversing camera just there, and that is the first factory optional extra to note on this particular vehicle. But in terms of condition here, absolutely stunning condition. It really is lovely condition of the paintwork. There's no ripples or dents or anything like that. I don't think there's any sign of any previous repairs here. It's all looking very, very good indeed. If we open up the rear tailgate, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. Now this van has been thoroughly carpet lined, as you can see here, so really nice carpet lining package all on the sides of the van, but also this really smart I can't call it a halo roofline because halo would usually have a bit of a gap here, but I actually quite like this. This Alcantara or suede headlining there with the LED spotlight, I think looks absolutely fantastic. What I really like with this is that it's clearly been done to a very high standard. You can just tell by the finishing here, but it's also got these switches. There's a switch here and a switch on the pillar there to flick the lights on and off as well, which I think is just a really nice touch. Also down here, there's a little 12-volt socket just there. Also, lovely condition in the back of here, as you can see. Fantastic condition of the nice soft touch flooring. You've got the nice tie down points dotted around inside the back of there, and the correct placement of the toolkit. Inside the back of the tailgate then, same story in here, really nice carpet in the back of there. But yeah, lovely condition, nothing to fault inside there. Also as well, almost forgot to mention, this has had a really nice sound upgrade on this as well. So you've got these Audison speakers here in the rear quarters here, which makes a big difference, because if you're using this more like a car, it does give you much more of that sort of surround sound in the back of here, so your rear passengers can really hear the radio as well from these great quality speakers. Also inside the back as well, again almost forgot to mention, this one has got all the pre-wiring here for a front and rear dash cam. So you can see all the cabling has been run really neatly here with a little mount, so you can get a dash cam on there ready front and rear on this particular van. Moving then around the outside here, looking down the passenger side, you can just see how clean and straight this is down the side. To me, it looks all absolutely original paintwork. There's not even a pin dent down the side of there. It is looking absolutely fantastic condition right the way down the side, and some really nice bits then that we have done to this van. So we've got my favourite set of alloy wheels on here, the Navis Twin-5 gloss black alloy wheel. These are of course fully load rated with load rated tyres. Absolutely love the style of these, but they just, I think, work so well with the Transporter. Also the nice Sportline-style sidebars there, and I like this combination because the profile is very similar to the alloy wheel. I think it works very, very well. The van is also lowered, so it's on lowering springs. I believe Eibach lowering springs on this, about 45 millimeters lower, which is a really nice touch. Major optional extra on this van, twin electric side loading doors. Some of you might have spotted the motors in the back. If you know your transporters very well, you will have noticed the motors on the side there in the back. But yes, twin electric side loading doors. It is, yeah, really, really nice optional extra to have. Inside here then, another factory optional extra. It is a 2+1 split rear seating configuration. You can see as well, of course, these seats, factory Kombi seats, Isofix compatibility across all of those. And like I just showed you then, you can, this is one of the benefits of having the 2+1. It gives you access there into the back, but crucially you can operate this seat and the other one completely independently. So you can fold them down flat like this. You can do exactly the same with this double seat by doing that. And then from this position here, you can flip it forward, and then using this handle here, you can lift that up, and that quickly removes the seats. You're not unbolting anything. They are designed as true quick release seats. The whole three seats in here can be removed in a matter of literally a couple of minutes, and it gives you all that versatility. So if you wanted to, you could take just the single seat out, and you could load something longer down this side. You could take all of the seats out if you wanted to, and then you've got a two-seater van with a full space in the back. It does offer you lots and lots of versatility. That same soft touch flooring continues here into the front with the tie down points just there. A couple of other nice little touches as well. So you've got a nice little another 12 volt socket which has just been added underneath there. And like I mentioned earlier, you've also got a switch there for the lights in the back as well. So it's been really well thought out with a couple of nice little simple touches which I think really enhance it in the back. If we open up the passenger door then, start to have a look inside here. So again, fantastic condition there of the plastics, the step. This one has got a really nice set of proper Volkswagen carpet overmats. Speaking of which as well, oh, there's the voice control just there picking something up. Inside the front then we have got cab carpet as well, which is again another factory optional extra. And then into the front then we have got the twin captain single seats here as well. So you've got the adjustable armrest on, or twin armrests on both seats, so you could set these to your desired height. But crucially, the passenger seat has got the same adjustment as the driver's seat. So you've got height adjustment there, backrest adjustment, as I mentioned, the twin armrest, so you can really get in a nice comfortable position as a passenger. The full leather wallet is just there, and I'll come around to a few more of the optional extras when we go around to the driver's side in just a second. But a couple of ways you can operate these doors. You can pull the handle like I just did there. You can use the handle inside the door. There's buttons on the dashboard which allows you to open and close the doors, but you can also use a button on the key as well. So really, as a very luxurious optional extra to have. Around to the front then, we've also got another optional extra here, which is the LED headlights. I've always said in these videos that is the first optional extra I would be ticking if I was speccing one of these today, which of course you can't now, but if you were speccing one of these today, that would be the first optional extra on my list. Really well performing headlight, and they look nicer as well with that nice LED daytime running light. Some nice additions here then, so you've got the gloss black front grills, which we have of course changed, and then the lower gloss black grills, and also the gloss black front splitter there as well. And I think when you add all of that together, those gloss black elements on the front, the lowering, the wheels, sidebars, the roof bars which are on this van, and also the rear spoiler, I think is an absolutely lovely looking van in really probably the most timeless colour that you can get in the Volkswagen. That is the metallic indium grey, which we see here. This colour has looked good for the last 20 years, and I'm sure will look good for another 20 years to come. It doesn't go in and out of fashion. Looking here down the driver's side then, again just looking at the condition here down the side, it is in absolutely stunning order. It really is. Very, very smart indeed. Driver's side loading door, again electrically operated as well, and you can just see the condition inside here, how clean and tidy this is. Opening up the driver's door then, again having a look at the step, the cab carpet, overmats here in the front, driver's seat, lovely condition here, height adjustment as well, electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, you can fold those in like that. Two full flip remote keys come with the vehicle, and as I mentioned, you can use these buttons here on the key to operate the electric doors. You've also got, of course, auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got adaptive cruise control on there, so you can set the distance to the car in front. On the right-hand side then, you've got your onboard computer controls, which is where you can see up here in front, you can see, you can toggle things here like your range, your miles per gallon, and then down below there, then 27,925 miles. Really nice miles on this particular example. Like I mentioned, on the back, you've got the pre-wiring for the dash cam up there. Another optional extra on this van then, this one has got the Discover Media satellite navigation. So a few benefits of Discover Media Nav. One, of course, it is sat nav, so you can navigate using GPS as opposed to relying on maybe phone signal. Benefit number 2 is it gives you a larger flush screen. So as standard, these come with a smaller screen, which is slightly recessed, doesn't quite look as nice as this. And of course, you've got more screen space being a larger screen. But crucially, my favorite benefit is that it gives you wireless app connect. So on the app, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on here, but crucially, you can operate those wirelessly. So once you've connected your phone to this via Bluetooth, you can use those without having to plug in every time. If you haven't got Discover Media Nav, every time you jump in, you've got to plug into one of these USB-Cs down here. So that is my favorite benefit of Discover Media Nav. When you put the vehicle into reverse, the van is going to beep at me now because there's a door open, sorry, but that is where your reversing camera is displayed as well. Another factory optional extra, heated front seats. That is, again, really nice feature to have. Air conditioning comes as standard, heated windscreen comes as standard, and then you've got your buttons here to open the doors, so you can open the door like that. Using the button on the dashboard then, you can, of course, shut them, and you can actually turn the system off as well. So if you don't want maybe someone reaching in here and pressing buttons or trying the door handle or something from the outside, then you can turn the system off. You can also toggle your parking sensors and your start-stop just there. So really, as I say, this is, in my opinion, the perfect factory options list. There's nothing else that I would put on one of these vans. There's not much else you can put on them, to be honest with you, but this really is absolutely perfect. LED headlights, reversing camera, twin electric doors, cab carpet, Discover Media Nav, heated seats. Am I forgetting anything else? But it really is a fantastic optional extras list. Absolutely perfect. Everything that you would want on a Volkswagen Transporter. On top of that then, it's been really nicely maintained. So we do have a record of a previous service being done at 22,000 miles. Obviously it's on 27,000 now. During our preparation, we put it right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Centre. They have gone right through it with a fine-tooth comb, given it a multi-point health check. On the last service, we had record that, of course, it had the oil change on the last service. So just us being fussy, we've changed all the other filters as well. So the pollen filter, the air filter, the fuel filter, we've changed all of those. And of course then done the wheels and things like that. We've also given it its first MOT. So it's not quite 3 years old yet, but we have given it its first MOT. So that is good to go for another year, something you're not going to have to worry about in the future. And then, of course, on top of that, you've got all the lovely styling which is on here, the lowering, the wheels, sidebars, roof bars, rear spoiler, the fantastic carpet lining which is in the back of there as well with that speaker upgrade, and also the switches for the lights and a couple of extra 12-volt sockets. A very, very attractive proposition. If we could buy 10 of these, we would, but as I say, they don't come around like this very often. If you would like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you find the price and description of the photography of this vehicle, and of course all the others that we've currently got advertised. Absolutely stunning condition really as well on this. There's barely a stone chip. There's, you're going to get the odd couple on the bonnet which we've just neatly touched in, but it is really very, very clean and tidy. It really is. But yeah, if you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website. We can, of course, take cars or vans in part exchange. We can deliver our vans nationwide. We can also arrange funding at very competitive rates as well, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals. At the time of recording, we can get rates as low as 9.9% APR. So, of course, that's all subject to acceptance and status. By all means, get in contact if you would like a quote. Thank you very much for watching.